In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini in Google AI Studio in 2026. Google AI Studio gives you a way to experiment with Gemini models directly from your PC or laptop. You can use Gemini to generate content, analyze information, work with prompts, and explore AI-powered development features. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and wait for the main workspace to load. Once you're inside, create a new prompt or open an existing project. You should see an area where you can enter instructions for the Gemini model. Start with a simple request. For example, ask Gemini to explain a topic, summarize some information, generate ideas, or help you write content. After entering your prompt, run it and review the response. If you want a different result, improve your instructions by adding more context. For example, instead of asking Gemini to simply explain a topic, tell it who the explanation is for, how detailed it should be, and what format you want. You can also experiment with the different Gemini models available in your Google AI Studio account. Depending on the current platform and your access, different models may be designed for different tasks, such as general text generation, reasoning, coding, or working with multimodal information. Another useful feature is the ability to continue a conversation and refine your request. If Gemini gives you a response that is close to what you want, ask it to improve, rewrite, shorten, expand, or reorganize the result. You can also use Gemini for coding tasks. For example, you can ask it to explain code, identify potential problems, or help you create a simple code example. When using Gemini for important tasks, always review the generated information carefully. AI can make mistakes, so verify facts and important details before relying on the response. Also, avoid entering passwords, private keys, or other sensitive information into your prompts.